Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm doing a review on the brand new 2021 Toyota Corolla SE model. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another car review video. And in today's video we're reviewing the brand new 2021 Toyota Corolla SE model. Toyota Corolla been around. They first made it in 1966 when it first it was made in Japan, and with the brand new 2020 and the newer models, they remodeled, they rechanged, redesigned everything in this car to make it look this aggressive and nice looking car. Honestly, this is one of the best looking cars in this class compared to the other competition, as if you have a Honda or Mazda 3. In my opinion, this is the best looking one out of the three cars that I just mentioned. LED lights. Toyota did a great job with the look of this car. It looks very aggressive and sporty, and honestly, this car doesn't need any modification or body kit. It's just perfect like that. And it does have the small LED on the bottom right underneath, and a big black grille, which is just fits the nice color on this vehicle. Color of this vehicle is super white, and it brings out the details of this car. It also has the sunroof, which is an option that you can add on the SE model. Instead of the sunroof, you can have the black top option, which is the cost, I think, $500 more to add it. It has a really nice side skirt on the side, and the color on it is called mesh gray metallic, which match the front grille, and that's the color of it. Now the white color on this car is amazing, and it brings out the details of this vehicle. 18-inch alloy wheels, and it does have the same color finish as the side skirt and the front grille. It's equipped with signal light and a blind spot sensor on the mirror. Let's get in the car and see what the car has to offer. First thing at the door, it looks very nice. The design, they use Softex leather and with a blue stitching. So as you see right here, it has a really nice touch to it. Drink carrier, and you see a little bit storage room on the side. The SE model does not have any power seats on either the driver or the passenger side. The seats are comfortable, they look sporty with the blue stitching, same as the door matching. It's a very nice touch. Small space storage right here. You can put your face mask or whatever you have, personal items. And it's very nice touch. 2 cup holder on the side for the driver and the passenger. The e-brake, and it does have the sport mode and the traction off button as well. A little bit more storage right here, and you have a USB slot and a 12 volt to 120 watts plug-in for the car adapters. You can push this forward for the armrest, and you can push it backwards, depends how you want to use it as well. Now again, in the driver's side, let's see what we have here. The door panel for the driver's side, it looks the same shape and design as the other side. Only difference right here, you have more controls for the windows and for the side mirrors. No power seating for the driver either, and the passenger. That's the only thing I don't like about this car. There's more options right here. Very clean car. And let's see what the stereo system and everything the car has right here. Steering wheel, they made it a little bit more sportier, a little bit different than the previous one. This vehicle is equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 pre-collision, and it does have the range dynamic radar, cruise control, lane departure, alert with steering assist. So all the options are right there on this car. and it does have the automatic high beams, roadside assist, lane tracing assist, and this car has total 10 airbags and the push start button as well. It's equipped with that 8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable, 6 speakers, has free Bluetooth as well. Here's another view from the side, from the driver's side, with a really nice looking shift knob and an access to the sport mode and the traction off button as well. Makes this car fun that it has the paddle shifters, so very easy like to reach from that when you're gripping on the steering wheel. It's not getting in the way when you're trying to do the signal. Here's another view from the back, how it looks like on this nice view for this car. I think Toyota did a great job with the design and the way everything looks. Everything is reachable for the driver, and I think it's a great looking car inside out. The SE model has a small spoiler, unlike the LE models. It's also equipped with the rear backup camera as well. Let's talk about trunk space. It's very spacious for this model. It does have the brand new mats. I haven't put them on yet. It's very spacious. You can put a lot of luggage in the back if you're traveling outside the city or inside. Let's talk about the performance for this vehicle. It's equipped with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder with a CVT transmission. It's also equipped with a sport suspension and a sport drive mode also. As I mentioned before, it's also equipped with a paddle shifter for the sport mode. Basically, if you want to drive fast, you want to have fun. I wouldn't recommend driving fast, but if you want to have fun, that's what you want to use it for. Now it's time for us to take it on a spin and see how the car drives and feels on the road. The only thing I did not like about the driving on this car is that it's a little bit stiff on the road, but I think that's because of the sport suspension. But overall, I like the car, I love it. And if you guys have any questions in the comment section below, please leave it in there. And this is my end of the video for the day. If you found this video nice and you want to see more reviews on product, cars, anything else, just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.